Okay, our first job now is this JCB. I believe it's 2017 and it has a brake problem. Okay. Let me just... This is kind of difficult with one hand, but I'll do my best. Just want to show you. I just want to show you what's happening with this machine. So every time I press the brake pedal, alarm goes off, and then it just goes away. And when I press the left one, it just goes to the floor, and there's no brakes. When I press both of them, and the steering wheel is not functioning. Okay, we'll put this inside the workshop and start working on it. Okay, I'm testing the machine now, and as you can see, I apply the right brake and machine just keeps going, and I press it fully and machine just keeps going like I did nothing, and the left one also. So there is hardly any brakes on this machine, so we'll look into it a bit deeper now. Okay, as you can see, we got this thing inside, and straight away I can see, I'm not sure will I be able to show you. Turn on. No, my battery is dead. Okay, we can see straight away that it's leaking fluid from the differential. So okay, I'm under the machine now. Now we will check it. We have some extra fluid inside the real differential that would be caused by worn seals. Oh, hydraulic. Kaj veliš? Gledaj, tu je mera. Gledaj koliko viška ulja ima. Hydraulic oil. This is a good YouTube video.
Master find out. Yeah, but ima cilindra unutra ili kaj? Hidraulična. Propustilo nešto.
Ajde više.